he has the same exact struggles as Duke did. Like, this is the elephant in the room that everybody tries to overlook or pass by. It was a combination. Not being able to fit in with the blacks and not being black enough and not being able to fit in with the whites or anybody else because they expected him to be black and he could not be Duke. So what we do is we go around the world, different countries, we explore different contributions that they made to this world. And that helps build kids' self-esteem. Mixed kids hardly ever get an option to see somebody mixed that looks like them and able to say, hey, they contributed this to the world. When I did the pros and cons with my own son, Braden, it kind of broke my heart because not only did he tell the truth about why he don't like being mixed, it was just heartbreaking that he had to deal with that. And so with that being said, it is imperative that Khaki Colored Kidz is here, that we are to remain here, and we are here to explore how we can, solve childhood diversity issues. That's my only goal until I join my son, is to make sure that kids don't have to deal with childhood diversity issues, because that's something they shouldn't have to worry about. They should have to worry about